It's got a small pocket knife on the side of it.
What is that? What is that, guys?
No, wait, what? Seriously, what's that?
Guys, what is that?
Flashlight.
No, listen, it's a noise.
Hey, y'all be quiet. Did you hear that? I heard it. I heard it.
Dude, crap, I forgot to tell y'all to call that off. What the? Oh, bug crawling on my fingers. I just felt this weird tingling all over my hands all of a sudden.
Oh! Guys, do you hear that?
That's a Wampus Cat, isn't it?
It's a Wampus Cat. It's a Wampus Cat. Go get it, Mike. Go get it, Mike. Get the Wampus Cat. Get him, Sarge. Get him. Go, go. Sarge! Why?
Wow, that was the girliest scream I've ever heard.
Sarge! Are you okay?
Why am I not surprised that...
I'm thinking that was like an epic fail.
Like this.
No.
Who's trying to scare us like a dog? Yeah, who was giving us a heart attack?
I'm not scared of the Wampus Cat.
I don't know anything that they can do.
Lauren!
Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm videoing you guys.
Hi.
We need something for the website.
Can I throw my hand at you to make it 3D?
No.
Okay. We're going to put it on the side of this tree right
Sorry. Oh my gosh, how many guys are in here?
About 7. 5.
Oh, jeez. You look comfortable.
Hey, it actually is. I did all this on here.
Nice.
What's her name?
There they are! It's the Wampus Cat! They're being attacked! They're being attacked! Oh no!
Wait a minute.
The Wampus Cat's in camp, guys!
Wait a minute. Wampus Cat, I have my wampum stick with me.
Everybody run! Not really, stay where you are. Guys, it's still here! The Wampus Cat's still here!
It sounds like someone's trying to throw up into a megaphone. That's Sarge? Wait, what the?
Oh no, guys, look! Look!
Oh, y'all videotaping this? That's hilarious.
Oh my goodness, in the woods! Sorry! Are you okay? Oh my god! Is he okay? We gotta get. There's a Wampus Cat in the woods. You guys are standing around.
We're playing Ninja. You want to join?
We need to go get the Wampus Cat here. We need to go get the Wampus Cat. Come on, guys. We gotta go. Come on. Bye.
I wish you good luck.
They're gonna
Your
die.
band-aid.
They're gonna die.
You're playing Ninja. The Wampus Cat.
Hey, y'all playing
Yeah,
Ninja?
it fell off.
All right, whose hand is this?
It fell off his... Yeah,
y'all
it
playing
fell
Ninja?
off Sarge's blade.
Hey.
Hey, what y'all use then?
Hey.
Break up and glow sticks or something?
Probably.
Anybody have anything to say?
I love you, Wampus Cat. Food scale 12 rules, man.
Mantis, don't ask,
Even
don't tell.
I'm impressed with that, Frank.
Don't ask, don't tell you guys.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Even I'm impressed with that.
2, 3,
I didn't expect the whole green thing.
Wait,
I can still see them.
I'll go first.
Chris,
Hold on, let me go.
That's so close, right? I can...
Wampus Cat is up by our feet.
Hey guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3, Ninja.
Oh, man! Y'all
Y'all
started Ninja without me. Good. Here.
All right, we'll start over.
Come on, man. Come join.
Come on.
This is how we do with Wampus attacks.
1, 2, 3, Ninja. Yeah. All right, wait, 1 or 2.
Oh, wait, 1. Ow! Damn, horsefly.
Again.
Oh, look, he's coming.
Pardon my
back.
French.
Come on, we got band-aids for you.
I go get him.
Go
Sounds like someone. You know, from a distance, that sounds like someone's trying to throw.
The reign of the Wampus Cat is resolved. Camp Hood once again is safe.
Oh, by the way, don't mess with his knife.
Stay still. We got the Band-Aid.
Let me sheath my knife before anybody starts hugging on me.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Open it. Oh my God.
Wait. All of you are in first aid or E-prep, and you can't even open a Band-Aid.
I think I'm gonna die.
Wait, what's that?
That's Wampus Cat blood. Show is.
This Band-Aid is impossible.
I'm gonna die here. I'm just gonna bleed out.
Wow.
You all fail first aid. This is ridiculous.
I gotta help it.
You gotta put it on him.
All right.
No, not at all.
Save! Victory! He can live with my Wampus Cats another day.
And I thought this was.
All right, guys.